Good Monday evening to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martridge, and this is your outlook for Tuesday, June 18th, 2013. And we're starting off with the Storm Prediction Center's outlook for severe weather for Tuesday. Now, this was put out on Monday afternoon about 12:30, and they do have this area outlined as for scattered thunderstorms, but the C text here is they're not really convinced that there will be enough instability around and there may be enough cloud cover to inhibit any severe thunderstorm growth. Although the C text is sitting up here, it's actually we've received some better data since then, and we can move this around a little bit, and we're going to do that with what we feel is going to be the case on Tuesday. Now, we'll start off with the European model, and this is also from Monday afternoon. And I want to just set up synoptically what we're looking at here. First of all, we're going to have a low pressure system that's going to go up the St. Lawrence Valley here, and it's going to be sitting up here like this. There's an attached cold front to it that's going to be sitting down here like this. Okay, this cold front is going to be pushing off to the south or south-southeast. All right, and out ahead of it, you're going to have some showers and thunderstorms are going to be firing ahead of that front, and they're going to push southward. All this heavy mess down here is a different system entirely that will not be affecting us. What's going to be affecting our weather today will be this cold front itself, and it's going to be pressing southward, and will clear the area by probably tomorrow morning. It'll be the latest time that it moves out. So Wednesday is going to be much improved. Behind that frontal boundary with high pressure moving in behind it. We're looking at some instability. Now this is the NAM model here, and it has gone a little bit more aggressive the last couple runs here with the amount of instability that's available. See these yellows and oranges here? This is a very high instability that's expected. Now we got a couple different factors here. Not only do we have this cold front that's going to be pressing south here. Again, the cold front sitting here like this, and it's going to be pushing southward. There's going to be a weak low pressure that's going to form along that frontal boundary, somewhere around here, okay? And as this pushes south, this little weak low pressure will actually help to enhance the lifting ability of the cold front itself. So even though this isn't a really strong cold front, with this added lift here, with this low developing along that frontal boundary, will enhance it enough to make it simulate a stronger cold front moving through. So we will have the lift here. The NAM is saying that we're going to have plenty of instability in place here. So we're going to have to keep an eye on this. And there's actually a third factor. There's at 250 millibar. There's a upper level jet. The entrance region is actually right over our area here. So this area here, the NAM is actually responding to that and showing this area here as the highest instability area. Probably went a little bit too far with that there, but the basic idea here is from like Harrisburg over to Allentown would probably be like ground zero tomorrow for severe weather. If there were any to occur, we're not going to go crazy with severe, where we are looking at isolated severe tomorrow. But the NAM high res is going a little bit more aggressive with it. This is 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesday, and as you see this line of storms starting to fire here. Moving south with the front, or southeast with the front, and you see they blow up really nicely here as they head towards the Lehigh Valley here and over to Harrisburg. Some big storms here. It's showing on the simulated future radar, and then that just continues on toward the Lehigh Valley area with some very heavy rainfall. Now these are going to be slow movers tomorrow. Nothing's going to be moving very fast. So even if you don't have severe weather, again, it's an isolated chance of severe weather. We do think showers and thunderstorms are going to be just about everywhere, but the primary concern that I'm thinking tomorrow is going to actually be from slow-moving thunderstorms dumping very heavy rainfall. I think that's our primary concern, and then wind and hail will also be an issue if some of these storms do go severe. Not sure yet if it's anything that the Storm Prediction Center is going to upgrade on Tuesday or not, whether the overnight guidance or tomorrow's guidance, but our own meteorologist Mike DeFino will be on top of it tomorrow with doing nowcasting the severe weather. So if you want to follow on the Facebook page tomorrow, he'll link to it. Every time he puts out a new blog of the current situation as he's reassessing the situation throughout the day. And then you can take a look at that. Now, one thing we're taking a look at right now as possibly being an inhibiting factor would be cloud cover. And the NAM is now showing this cloud cover being around tomorrow morning. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. You see the clouds. This is simulated basically simulated satellite imagery for tomorrow. So are going to be clouds over here tomorrow morning. The latest NAM has been showing this moving out a lot faster than before. So you can see these breaks in the clouds here. See right here, where the black is here. There's nothing, no clouds at all here. Now this is just a simulation. This isn't to be taken for granted here. But if this does happen, and you get that added instability here, when these storms push through, you'll be running into some really unstable air. And I think that's what the NAM is picking up on tomorrow and accounting on that sun being out. If the sun does not come out in earnest tomorrow, we will not be into the severe weather threat. So again, we'll update this on the Facebook page and also on here on the website in the ProMed blog section with Mike DeFino. And when he does release a new and nowcasting blog, he will link to the page and update you accordingly. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers, and that is your outlook for Tuesday, June 18, 2013. Have a great night.